Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can create and sort folders in Zoho Mail so that you will be able to keep your inbox organized. So the first thing that you need to do is of course log in with your Zoho Mail account, and once you're here, you will go to your left sidebar and hover over the folders. So what you will have to do is click plus folder. So just go ahead and click that and wait for it. And what you will have to do now is click create a folder and then name your folder as whatever you prefer, and then just place it under inbox, sent, newsletter, or notification in whatever place that you want. And then after that, you will just have to click save. And then if you want to sort your folders, what you will do is you can drag and drop the folder just like this if it works on your version. But you can also manage folders using this. So you can just actually just drag it. So again, wait for it to load, and you can also manage it like okay, hold on. So hold on a second. So you can sort it like this. So if you would want, for example, if you would want this to be visible here, then you can just check it. You will just have to check it. But if you don't want to, if you don't want, for example, this, if you don't want this to be is to be visible here, then you can just uncheck it, and that's basically just it. And that's how you sort your folders. And please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.